Apple just took back the crown. On Monday, Apple overtook Nvidia to become the world's most valuable publicly traded company, about 2 years after it last lost that title. But this wasn't purely a win for Apple. It was just as much a story about Nvidia falling. Apple stock rose more than 1%, pushing its market value to $4.9 trillion. Nvidia's stock dropped almost 5% on renewed spending concerns, bringing its value down to $4.8 trillion. Apple has mostly sat out the AI race over the past 4 years, and investors have questioned that strategy repeatedly. Back in 2024, after more than a decade at the top, Apple lost the most valuable company title to Microsoft. Now it's back on top, not necessarily because AI optimism is fading, but because investors are reevaluating the risk. Earlier this month, tech stocks slid on growing concerns about AI spending and rising competition from China. As Daniel Newman, CEO of Futorum Group, put it, Apple is becoming a flight to safety. Investors see the AI trade as volatile, and Apple starts to look almost like owning a safe index instead. Since ChatGPT launched roughly 4 years ago and kicked off the AI boom, Nvidia's valuation has grown more than tenfold, driven by surging demand for its chips. But now growing worries about the true cost of AI development are catching up with that story. Drop your take in the comments. Is this the start of a real shift away from AI-heavy stocks, or just a temporary pullback? New to the channel? This is what we do daily. Subscribe if you don't want to miss the next one. See you in the next bulletin.